Those fires finally out. Some of the animals injured in the flames are returning to the wild, all thanks to the work of some very dedicated veterinarians, including one from UC Davis who helped develop a treatment for burnt animals using fish skin.
News Tonight CBS 13's Rachel Wolf spoke with them about the innovative technology they used to save lives.
The images were heartbreaking. Thousands of koalas, kangaroos, wombats, and other wildlife injured by the devastating wildfires that scorched hundreds of thousands of acres in Australia.
Oh, Keanu, can we take a look at you?
UCD veterinarian Dr. Jamie Payton knew she wanted to help.
Stepping off the plane, there's always some anxiety. What are we going to see?
She and her husband were part of a team of U.S. veterinarians who spent 2 weeks crossing the outback, caring for wounded animals. Initially, she expected to treat lots of koalas, but they already had dedicated researchers. Her expertise was needed elsewhere.
When we look at the kangaroos and the wombats, while they're more common in Australia, they're not as highly viewed, and there wasn't as many people there to help them.
They worked with the Australian military, veterinarians, and rescue groups, traveling a 500-mile loop and treating approximately 100 animals.
We teach each other.
Some required a simple exam, others major surgery. Payton, who pioneered the treatment of burns with tilapia skin, was able to use that technology on several kangaroos. It helps with the healing, offering pain control and protection.
The tilapia skin is made of collagen, similar to our collagen as people, and the collagen will act like a jungle gym for the cells to sort of grab on and move across.
Her husband brought a portable ultrasound machine into the field to help,
which allowed us actually to check for other underlying abnormalities in the patients within their abdomens and within their chest, especially their hearts.
They looked at the effects of smoke inhalation and were able to diagnose underlying diseases. Their trip was personal. The couple lives in an area evacuated 6 times in recent years because of the threat of wildfire.
We felt like we both needed to really reach out to the global community and lend back.
They will take what they learned down under and use it here as we head into another wildfire season.
Now, scientists in the state will study what she and other vets did to put that into practice after other natural disasters.
They do some great work.